من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Al-Quran, chapter 36, verse 36. سبحان الذي خلق الأزواج كلها مما تنبت الأرض ومن أنفسهم ومما لا يعلمون. Purified is He who created pairs of all things, of what the earth grows, and of themselves, and of what they do not know. Unquote. Ya Ali Madad and Eid Mubarak. Welcome to Wisdom Wednesday. Previously, on Wisdom Wednesday, we mentioned the cycle of prophethood and the cycle of Imamat. But what are these two major cycles? The cycle of prophethood is the time which has elapsed from Hazrat Adam alayhi salam to the seal of the prophets, that is Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam. And the cycle of Imamat continues after him till the resurrection, Qiyamat, completes. The difference between these two cycles is that during the cycle of prophethood, by God's command, some Imams used to perform the duties of prophethood in addition to the function of Imamat, whereas in the cycle of Imamat, since it is the cycle of resurrection, the pure Imams from the progeny of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam perform only the duties related to the matters of Imamat. In chapter 21, verse 73, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, وَجَعَلْنَاهُمْ أَئِمَّةً يَهْدُونَ بِأَمْرِنَا. And we made them the Imams, who guide by our command. Unquote. The wisdom of this verse shows that the true Imams are appointed by God Himself, and they guide the people according to His will and command. Let's reflect over the Quranic word, bi amrina, by our command. That is wisdom for today. Love each other. Let's learn together.